So all my respected teachers and my dear students who are present here in this session, on behalf of the team of Swami Sandas Public School, I welcome all of you to Career Counseling and Guidance session. Children, uh, it's not, every time we used to say that it's not the right time to think what we want to do in our career. We'll just think afterwards. Some of the children, when I ask what you want to become, ma'am, we'll think later. After 12th, we will decide, or after 10th, we will decide. Some of the students, basically, what happens in your early years only, you have a bent in your mind that you want to go for this particular career. Some of the students, they always say, I want to become a doctor, I want to become a pilot, I want to go for Indian Army, or so and so. So everyone as a child, they have some bent towards some particular career, and later on, slowly with time, it faded away. And then they all understood that there are 4 streams, we have to opt any one of them. Arts, जिसको humanities में हम लेते हैं, arts, commerce, medical and non-medical. We actually, CBSE, or we can say the education system, has divided the society and us in such a way that we have classified students in these 4 categories, whereas this is completely not the right way to classify, because all fingers are not same. Everyone has its own diverse needs and area of interest, so we all need something different, something special we want to do. We don't want to go in the sheep walk, everyone is doing this, so I have heard it a number of times. The children are saying, I don't want to become an engineer because everyone these days is becoming engineer. I don't want to go for doctorate because we have to study a lot. I don't want to become this because there are so many MBAs. So like this, we always hear. If I ask you, children, from 9th class students, all you are here, if I ask you, Bete, can you tell me the name of the career options which you all know? How many career options are there? You will say, okay, ma'am, engineering, doctor, teacher, professor, or pilot, or 5 more, 6 more, 10 more, 20 more. How many career options you know? These days, the basic problem with the society is that we don't have complete knowledge about the things available around us, and we are not interested to know. We just always depend, like हमारी family में all of them are of the non-medical background. कोई engineering में गया, कोई armed forces में गया, we'll go like that. In my family, everyone went abroad, तो मुझे भी abroad ही जाना. In my family, सब business में है, तो मुझे business ही करना. This is the basic problem. We are not looking and checking out the opportunities available around us. So let's see what is there in this presentation for you. You may have heard about this national education policy. This education policy 2020 was launched last year. This year it has completed 1 year of its launch, and on 4th of August this year, CBSE has launched, keeping in mind the special needs of the students, the CBSE has launched a career counseling and guidance portal. The name of the portal is basically a website which is designed to provide you some particular sort of information, right? Now, as the name suggests, this information providing website or portal, iska name kya hai? cbsecareerguidance.com. This portal is going to tell us about the options available in the society which we have never heard of, which may we have heard of, which may we have not. We didn't get any information about the things. So it is going to tell us about everything. जो आपको पता है, that too, which you don't know, that too, right? So let's see what is all about this career guidance portal, because many of you may be thinking this is complete wastage of time attending this workshop, because Google पे search करो, every information is being provided, and most of the information provided on Google is not authentic. Here, CBSE has spent like thousands of people, those who are working under CBSE, they have collected this information and made this specialized portal for you. This portal is going to help you to prepare yourself, to plan your career, to determine your area of interest, and to discover your potential. What potential jobs can be there in the market. So just have a look at these special features of this portal. Number one, as I've told you, we have information about 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 career options at the max. But this portal is going to tell us about 101 career options and 540 different professions, which the information about which is being provided on this portal. It will cater the needs of all the students from humanities background, that is commerce and arts, PCB, physics, chemistry, bio students also, and physics, chemistry, math students also. So whatever stream you want to opt for, the website is going to provide you some or the other sort of help. Then what are top 25 subjects? Agar main aapse पूछूं, you want to take non-medical. How many subjects are there in non-medical? Physics, chemistry, bio, or in physics, chemistry, math, that's all what you know. There are 25 subjects, like top 25. There are more than 25 subjects in each stream. Top 25 subject के बारे में ये आपको information देने वाला है. Non-medical में physics, chemistry, maths के अलावा भी there are many other subjects which are very good, which you can opt for, which may be not available in the school, in some of the other schools in the area, but definitely they are available in the university. After you complete your class 12, you will be able to get, like, choose any of the subject and set up a career in the same. Then detailed information about the emerging careers. Emerging careers, bete kya hote hain? Emerging career means the careers which you have not heard about, जिनके बारे में आपको information नहीं है. Those who have not gained so much popularity in the society, which are emerging now, and slowly they are making their, like, pacing them up. For example, if we talk about social welfare, so in social welfare, agar main baat karu, those who are doing social welfare job, you always think they are doing the free of cost samaj seva karte hain, NGO chalate hain, just provide food to the one who have not needy ones below poverty line ko, ya jo bhi any type of deficiency jisko hai, we just provide them. This is what we think the version of social welfare. Free of cost हमने चीजें provide करनी. Have you ever think of making a career in social welfare? This is a career. This is one of the emerging career which you may opt for. Like big NGOs are there which have a good number of donators and financiers, but they don't have time to do the social welfare. So what they do, they just appoint some persons who are going to do the work for them, and they are going to earn a very good salary from these NGOs or social welfare departments, right? So you can, like, doing the social work, you may be able to earn a good amount of money and like feed your family. Then detailed information about the popular careers. Now, which popular careers are there in the market? The popular careers are doctor, engineers, professors, pilots. What else? 4 5 और आप ले लो. So these are the popular careers. CAs are there, CS are there, businessmen are there, entrepreneurs, or so and so. So whatever are the popular career, in case you want to opt for any of them, its information is also being provided to you in this website. Then what all for maths lovers? Sometimes a student loves maths, but they don't love physics, chemistry. They don't want to go for non-medical. They don't want to go for medical, but they love maths. They don't want to leave maths. They don't want to go for commerce either. Accountancy, they don't understand. Economics is so boring. Business studies is so boring. So they don't want to go for commerce also. Arts, history, geography, it's not interesting. So they just want to do mathematics. So what is all there for them also? For maths lover, there are various career options available that is also being provided to you in this career portal. Then careers where you can travel across the globe. You can become a teacher, you can become a doctor or engineer. Being a doctor, engineer, pilot, or army man, you will be able to travel across the country itself. You may get a chance, if you are earning good, you may get a chance to travel. कभी एक ट्रिप लगाने के लिए हम चले गए one or the other country, we came back in some other country. But how many countries? Like across the globe, there are 100+ countries are there. Will you be able to travel in all of them free of cost? Now, what if I am giving you an option of a career wherein you are earning money after traveling in the other country? You are traveling and earning from there. You are traveling some other place, earning from there. what if such type of career will be provided to you? पैसा भी मिल जाएगा, घूम भी लेंगे हम. डॉक्टर्स इंजीनियर्स जाएंगे फॉरेन कंट्री तो पैसा स्पेंड करके आएंगे, टीचर जाएंगे पैसा स्पेंड करके आएंगे. What if you get a chance to earn from the other countries? So these type of career options are also being provided to you in this. And what are the various Olympiads or scholarship schemes? They are also being provided to you in this portal. Now just have a glimpses of the portal, how it will look. You can see on the screen here in the title bar, cbscareerguidance.com. I have clicked on this website and this type of page opens. Herein, first of all, what I did, I make my apna ek profile I created. You can see here my name, Riddhi Dadwal, and my profile picture is visible. Class 12th I have entered because I'm teaching class 12th. Not for me, because I'm not looking a career for me, I'm looking for my students. Similarly, right hand side, you can see on this, in this green board box, there are which classes currently, like in which class do you study, 9th, 10th, +1 or +2. So you can enter your class. Then niche aap uski dekhiye, what do you like to do apart from studying the subjects? What else you like? Painting, cooking, gaming, listening to music, playing sports, practicing yoga, traveling, helping others, writing, vlogging, website pe, Instagram pe, YouTube, whatever you like. You just need to enter. Once you enter your area of interest, this whole portal will change its look. The portal will not show you information about other career options. It will provide you particular information about the careers that you have entered as your area of interest. Clear a bit? For example, you can see here A to Z guide on how to get into IIT. You all know IIT में जाने के लिए you पता है, हमें सबको पता है, JEE मेंस का एग्जाम होता है, you have to clear that exam and you can enter. What else? So all A to Z information can be provided to you through this portal. Just after scrolling down this window, what else is there? Emerging careers for PCB student, physics, chemistry, bio के students के लिए you can become a physicist, microbiologist, biologist, life scientist, and you can see here right side के लिए हमारे पास arrow है. We can click on this arrow and we can get a number of other career options. Then popular careers, agricultural, cultural, biotechnologist, chartered accountant, architect, and so on. So you can just have to click and you will get to know about rest of them. Then scrolling down, you can get various career options where you can travel the globe at the time of earning the money. Then what are the fellowships to apply? What are the different centers? What are the scholarship schemes? All this type of information will be provided. Are you a maths lover, math student? Then what are the career options you have? That will also be provided. Now here, Betty, you can see on the screen, I took the example of robotics and automated engineering. In case or any other, you can type, like for example, I have written robotics and automated engineer. You can type doctor, you can type simple engineer, mechanical engineer, civil engineer, electrical engineer. You can enter CA, you can enter merchant banker, you can enter any other profession. Okay? Whatever profession you will enter, what all this website will tell you, it will tell you about number one, how you can enter this career, whatever career you want to know, they will tell you कि इसको कैसे enter करना है, number one. Number two, how much money you need to spend on this particular type of career. For example, all of our parents, they don't have the same purchasing power. सबका different है. Everyone has its own budget. Some have the budget, they can send you abroad to study. Some have the budget to send you to government colleges to study. So you have to see how much expenses you need to prepare. ऐसे पहले सपना नहीं देखना जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा पैसा लगना और हमारे पास नहीं है. Got it? So what we have to see, how much expenses we need, and are our parents ready to spend this much amount on us or not, right? Then educational qualification levels which are required to enter in the career. Then how much you are going to earn. For example, you have spent a lot of time and energy and money, you've studied, you have entered in the career. How much you are going to earn? Initially kitna paisa hoga, later on kitna hoga, that all will also be provided. Then what are different colleges and universities? where you can enter. You don't want to stay here in the country, you want to go to Canada, you want to go in New Zealand, Australia, America. What are the colleges available there? What is the fee structure they have? What are the universities? What are the scholarship schemes? All of these informations will be provided to you through this portal only. Got it? It is not only for Indian colleges and universities, it is across the globe. Then find entrance examination. In some of the careers, we have to appear in some entrance exam, we have to clear it, and then we get the admission. For example, to enter into medical, we have to appear in NEET exam is there. MBA हम करते हैं, IIM में we want to take admission, we have to appear in CAT is the name of the exam. JEE Mains is the exam for IIT. Similarly, CA you want to do, you have to appear in the exam CPT. Similarly, in some of the profession, you need to enter through some exam, some of the profession, no exam, just you have to take admission and study hard. So this information will also be provided to you. Find scholarship. Now, your parents don't have money, but you want to study. They also want you to study. They are ready to take any type of loan. They are ready. You are ready to appear in some exam, which in case you qualify, you will get scholarship from the government. State government की कितनी scholarships हैं, central government की, sometimes across the globe. दूसरे countries की universities भी sometimes they offer some scholarship schemes. So in case you are too good, too bright, you can appear in those type of scholarship tests or whatever is there. Clearing that, you will be able to get this scholarship. So your dream of studying this subject without spending even a penny will be fulfilled. Then those who have already pursued this career, the information about that will also be provided to you through this, right? Now I have taken one example, and then let's see what all was there in the website for that career option. The example that I have taken is aerospace engineer. When I was child, I always dream of traveling across the space. I always wanted, but at the time I was not studying in such a bright school. My teachers were not there providing information to me. Like awareness was not there, we can say. Our parents were not ready to spend the money. They were not ready to send their girl child so far to study like all about this aerospace. So I could not become one of them, but many of you may be dreaming of traveling in this space. It is just an example. You can take any other profession, whatever you feel like. तो मैं आपको अभी aerospace engineering का example दे देती हूँ. Aerospace engineering, when I typed what I saw on my screen, a sneak peek. Are you fascinated by aeroplanes? Do you always want to travel across the space? Uski information. You can see here in the blue box, it is read full career article. So you can read the full career article, and scrolling down the page, what I got, how we can enter in this career. Aerospace engineer I want to become. How I can enter in this career? Let's see. What you have to do, abhi aap 9th mein, you have to clear pehle to class 10th padhni padegi. There is no other choice. 10th mein, all the subjects. Usme choice nahi hai. Whatever subjects are there, you have to do. Then +1 and +2, you have to opt for maths and any other subject. अब साथ में आप नॉन मेडिकल करिए, मेडिकल करिए, कॉमर्स करिए, आर्ट्स करिए, इट डजंट मैटर. मैथ्स इज कंपल्सरी. डन. देन diploma in aerospace or aeronautical engineering that you have to do, and you can get entry in this career, right? Now in case you didn't like this pathway, आपको पसंद नहीं आया, आपके पेरेंट्स कहते हैं हमने डिप्लोमा नहीं कराना, so you have some other option also. The other pathway is class 10th all subjects जैसे सब करते हैं. Then +1 +2 में physics chemistry mathematics you have to take as per other जो भी English, बाकी तो additional subject you know. Then BTech you have to do. BTech is bachelor in like aerospace and aeronautical engineering में BTech you have to do. Bachelor's करनी. Bachelor's is 3 year. Generally it is 3 years, and sometimes it is 4 years also in some universities after your class 12. So after doing this, you can enter, get an entry in this career. Another pathways are also there. I have not taken screenshot of those pages, but you will get access to the website. You know their website. You can see on your own, right? After this, the next page shows us how much expenses we have to bear to be one of them. Minimum 40,000 right side पे blue color में दिख रहा है, green color में 20 lakh is the maximum amount. Why there is so much of difference 40,000 and 20 lakh? 40,000 Indian rupees in studying in India. You are studying abroad, वहां पे dollars में pay कर रहे हैं, euros में pay कर रहे हैं, तो convert करिए Indian rupee में, definitely it will become somewhere around 20 lakh. So it is estimated amount. Your fee may vary in between these two figures, right? Then उसी के नीचे दिया है 20 लाख. देख के कहते डर नहीं जाना, घबराना नहीं. नीचे स्कॉलरशिप ऑप्शन भी दिया, आप क्लिक करिए, you will get to know about the scholarships available. Then educational qualification required for this job. Minimum education is undergraduate. Undergraduate is after 12th. You have to do the bachelor's. Bachelor's means 3 years or 4 years after 12th. And what is the maximum qualification? It is graduation, then post graduation, जिसको masters भी कहते हैं, and then doctorate. Doctorate means PhD. PhD is the highest qualification in any field. So minimum undergraduate and maximum you can be doctorate. Then what are the future aspects? Growth कितनी है इस career में? Growth होगी, कोई salary बढ़ेगी नहीं बढ़ेगी, सारी जिंदगी कम salary पे काम करेगी. So growth options currently they are saying it is somewhere negative. People are not having basically awareness की problem है, लोगों को पता ही नहीं है, awareness नहीं है. Somewhere negative prospects are there, but in the long term we can say moderate growth is there. Right hand side पे we can see how much money we are going to earn in Indian rupee. Monthly salary की बात कर रहे हैं. Entry level पे when you start, entry level means you are starting with like without any knowledge, without any experience, just by getting basic knowledge or basic graduation करके आप entry लेते हैं. Entry level पे you will get somewhere around 20 to 30,000 और maximum आपको 70-80,000 per month salary starting मिल सकती है. And then when you once you qualify the higher studies, आप अपना doctorate तक की पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं, then you will definitely be able to get more money, right? You can see here up to 5 lakh rupees per month you can get your salary. ठीक, in Indian rupee per month salary है 5 lakh rupees. Senior level, when you reach senior level means you have done the PhD in this subject and then you are getting a job, you will be able to get this much of salary. And what else? Aeronautics space के बारे में, engineering के बारे में, what else I want to see? I want to know कि कौन-कौन से colleges हैं. All colleges don't have these spacecrafts in which they can teach us. Practical भी तो करना है. So only few universities and colleges are there. I can get information about them. Then entrance examination, if there, it will be told. Then scholarship schemes and financial aids. Government को aid देती है, financial benefit देती है. And job opportunities and competencies required. At the end, those who already pursued this career about them. So you can, I believe you all are familiar with this picture. This is an Indian girl, Kalpana Chawla, with a flag of United States of America at the background. She was one of the members in NASA and she lost her life traveling space, and she has become a source of inspiration of many of us, right? So this is one option. Scroll down करेंगे, you will get to know about many other these astronauts, those who have traveled, who have opted for this career, traveled in this space, and they have earned and grown in their career. So you will get to know about all of them, right? So that was all important. Just आपको एक glimpses दे दिया है. Important information is being provided to you. What else is there in this website? Other special features are there. But a career advisor on call. There is availability of some career advisors who are available on call. This number you need not to note down. I've got this number from the website itself. You can also get it from there. Moreover, personalized career dashboard. I told you earlier, आपने अपने field of interest डालने हैं. They will make the whole dashboard important and personalized for you, and it will look like something. https://dashboard.idreamcareer.com. So idreamcareer.com के नाम से आपका जो dashboard है वो बन जाएगा. Then also there is comment section for queries. In case you have a doubt, किसी भी चीज के साथ related, any type of doubt you have related to any career, you can enter there and career guidance experts will be answering to your Okay, yes. I think it was. So I would like to end up the presentation just on the thought that what are you waiting for, children? Sign up today in this website and enter your world of dreams, your career which you ever dreamt of, which you always wanted to be. You then knew no one has guided you upon that. Your parents have no information about what you are thinking. 1,000+ options are there. You just need to give a click on the website and get to know about everything about the career on your screen, right? That's all from my side. Thank you for being so patient throughout the session. And in case you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me now. Thank you very much, all of you.